7 divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 7. Here, 7 divided by 7 gives us 1, and here we have 7 divided by 7, which is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is incorrect, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do the first division, then the next division, and finally the last division. So the first division of 7 divided by 7 is just 1. So we get 1 divided by 7 and again divided by 7. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 7 can be written as 1 over 7, then divided by 7. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we get 1 over 7 multiplied by 1 over 7, which equals 1 over 49. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 49.